What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the type of image that you can expect whenever you are watching a 2:3:5 film, for example, a movie, on a 16:9 screen. This particular conversation is something that I have with customers every single day, so I figured I'd make a video about it. Do I go 16:9? Do I go 2:3:5? So really, to answer that question, it depends on your lifestyle, what you're using the room for. In a multi-purpose situation where you could be playing games, you could be watching movies, you could be watching Netflix, you could be whatever. If there's going to be a good mix of content, 16:9 is the way to go. And this is the aspect ratio that you have on your television. And this is the aspect ratio that I have here. And you can see I just have some stuff playing, like some scenes from Deadpool. Deadpool was filmed in 2:3:5 aspect ratio. So you have bars on the top and the bottom whenever you're watching that movie, just like if you were to watch it on your living room television, which isn't the end of the world. But if you're a movie buff, like if you're going to be sitting in here watching primarily movies and you want that widescreen experience and you have the space for it, you don't want bars top and bottom. You want it to fill the whole entire screen. So that's when you want to go 2:3:5. But you can see in this situation, the customer doesn't have a lot of space anyways, and he wants to be using different content. So this is the perfect situation for a 16:9 screen. And if you guys are wondering what screen we're using, this is the Screen Innovations Slate 1.2 Zero Edge Pro with the backlit LED kit on it. And the projector that we're using is the Sony 295, which is a native 4K projector. Let me turn the lights off so you can see the image quality. Another thing that I do want to point out is the fact that this particular screen, you can turn the lights on and turn the lights off very easily. So whenever you are viewing your content, a lot of the time you're going to want to either dim it down really low or turn it off. But when you have your buddies over or you have all the lights on, you want to give that wow experience. It's cool. I like the LEDs. You can order this particular screen with or without the LEDs, so you have plenty of options to choose from.